So, all right, now quickly to avoid wasting of our time, I want to work on suspended beam details. This is a simple layout that has a continuous beam of support A, B, C, D. Likewise, this, likewise this. So I just want to show you how you already have an existing structural drawing. Now we want to create a new one. Yeah, so now let's go. So we have this FBM1. So I want to draw FBM1 first. So I'll go to the existing drawing, the template that you have already. So this is first floor, first floor, and the first floor beam details. So let me just use this as a sample. Let me move this to copy CO space bar. I'm using scrollable, so that's why I will use Shift F8 so I can move it. So let me put it up here. So this now you just drag it like this, copy selection. So come to this side. So change this to section 1, ED spacebar section 1. Now this one to section 1, then FBM1. FBM1. That's first law beam 1. So your links, let me change the links. Okay, the links is 10, Y10 of 06200 center per center. Let me use that. Alright, so you stretch this, highlight it from here. Can you see where you highlight it from here? Like this, S spacebar. Stretch it out. So the auto is off. Now I want to on the auto, just shift F8. See that? So I have something like this, stretch it out. Alright. So now from support A, B, C, D. So from support A to B, we have 3 meter. So you come to the center here, CO spacebar, bring it out. 3, 1, 2, 3, spacebar. We have it here. You come back again, support 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, we have that. This one is 2 meter. So we have 2, 1, 2, 3, spacebar. Now we have something like this. Now this is the hand. So highlight this way. See, highlight it this way. Then hold your shift, highlight the center one so that it will take it together. Then M spacebar. Pick it from the center one, then drop it here. So from here, the first one here, highlight these two together. TR spacebar, trim it out. Again, highlight these two together. TR spacebar, trim it out. Highlight these two together again. TR spacebar, trim it out. Again here, these two together. TR spacebar, trim it out. The last one too. TR spacebar, trim it out. Now the same thing. TR spacebar, trim it out. This one, highlight it. E spacebar, erase it. Then click on this. Just bring it down here. Now, alright, we have something like this, 8 meter beam. Then we need the center one. So the center one now, click on the initial one that you copied. You copied here. From here, highlight the first one here, second one here. This, except the center one. Can you see? CO spacebar, so that you won't be having double line. So just bring it here, drop it at the center, drop it at the center, escape. We are done with that. So bring this here, click on these two together. Adjustment now. It's a modification. TR spacebar again, trim this out. TR spacebar again, trim the center out. The same thing happens here. TR spacebar again, trim it out. TR spacebar again, trim it out. And so you copy the links. So we have it here. And this one we have it here. And this one is bigger than the space. Just I click on it, right click, scale, drag it down. Let me use 0.7 spacebar. Can you see 0.7? So for me it's okay like that. Yes, it's okay. And now to know the links start from here. Can you see this is the link start from here to this place to this place? That is why we are having the links at the center. So now we also have another links to here. Can you see from here to here? So that's the links. So we also have another links space also here. Can you see that's the links also. it's also links, it's also stir ups. So bring it here, and then here we have something like this. Then this one, click on, let's use continue. Let's see maybe it's going to work. Okay, it's not going to work that way. Click on dimension, linear, click on the center to center, bring it up at the center, put it there. All right, just go to continue, dimension again, continue, drop it there again. Now, so just MA space bar, match properties. Click on the initial one, put it there, put it there. So we have something like this. All right. So since we have something like this, then when it's 8 meters long, then the details now. How are you going to details this one? Because I'm going to just do two sample. Because now we have this is the same thing as FBM2, FBM3. I'm not going to do FBM2 and 3 because it's the same thing. Now I'm going to do FBM4. But before doing FBM4, let me just details it. This one I want to detail it. I want to finish with the details. So now to know the details now, 0.3 multiplied by 3 meter, 0.3, that's the cutting length, the lappings to the support, to the span and support. So multiply by 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have 900. So from here we should have 900. You copy this, C or space bar 900. We have something like this. All right. From here also we should have another one 900. So from here also we should have another one 900. All right. So now just come here, copy this out, CO spacebar from the center, put it there, and see. All right. So you can just have something like this also here, here. And I want to mirror this. Click this mirror. Use the mirror here. This is the mirror sign. Can you see mirror? Click on it. Mirror this. Drag it down. Spacebar. All right. So the mirror sign. Move this again and put it here. All right. So we have something like this. So this is exact, according to theory books and textbooks and all of that. So this is what we have. So here, it's 2 meter. We don't want to lap down. So this is what we have here. So bring this out and just draw a line, small line for you to cut it out. Click on this again, drag it down. So click on this again, CO space bar, put it at the center here. The same thing, just copy it again to this place again. We have something like this. So just highlight the two together, TR space bar, erase that one, TR space bar, erase it, then TR space bar, erase it. Alright, so we have something like this now. So from here now, I want to, according to according to experience and all of that. So from here I can say, because it's a cantilever that is a beam, sorry, it's a beam that this panel 1, panel 2, panel 3, they are transferring load to the beam, and the cantilever is also transferring load to the beam. So I'll just decide that okay, I want to have the 2Y1601, is section 1. So the top reinforcement, this is the top, that's the span reinforcement. So the top reinforcement, let me just drag it up so that there won't be any confusion. All right. So the top reinforcement, let me use 3. No, sorry, let me use 4. I don't have the calculation, so I'm just doing this for experience purpose. So this, let me use 3 as bar number. So 3Y16, then bar mark 3. So click on this again, and here let me just use 3 also. 3, 4. So at the bottom reinforcement, I'll use 4 also. Then 4, 0, 5, 0, 5. And mind you, if you want to continue with the, what's it called, with the bar mark, don't forget your link already has the 606 number. That means you won't add number 6. So just make sure you note that because of bar bevel schedule. So for now, this FBM1 is complete, and I'm done with that. Let me just give the section once and for all. So the section goes like this. So if the section goes like this, click on it, Shift F8, Shift F8. So we have something like this. So it's a continuous, or it's a continuous beam. It's a continuous beam. So we have something like this. So at the top reinforcement 2y1601. So we have it here. The first one is 2, then y16 is 01. So here we should have the 2 bar, then this one should be 01. This one should be 01. Alright, so the second one should be, this one is 4 at the bottom. So we have 405. So this should be 4, no, sorry, 5 bar mark, 5 bar mark, and the reinforcement is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The reinforcement is 4 and the bar mark is 5. So the number is 5. So everything is 450. Thickness of the slab is 150. So thickness of the slab, and this is depth of the beam, and the length is 0.6. And see. So thank you for your time and have a good time. Have a good day.